Hey guys, Andrethefarmer here, and today I'm gonna make something that I've never really seen it around before, but I kind of made it by accident during one of my lives, and I really love it. It's a great way to use up a lot of your peppers. I don't know about you, but I end up getting a lot of extra peppers or random peppers I don't know what to do with. So I'm gonna make a sauce. It's like a sweet chili sauce. So I'm gonna make it. Basically what I use is garlic, a little bit of ginger. We've got some Thai chili peppers, and we've got a bunch of just assorted peppers that we're gonna use as well. So all we're gonna do is chop these guys up, and then I'll show you what happens next. Right, so we've chopped up our peppers, we've got our chili peppers here, our sweet peppers here, and we've got our garlic and our ginger over here. While I was chopping it up, I figured out a name. I'm gonna call this sweet chili relish. That's what it is, sweet chili relish. So we've heated up our olive oil, and we are gonna add our garlic and our ginger. It smells good already. And we're gonna add our peppers. We add a little pinch of salt. And our guest of honor is the honey. And this is the honey from the beehives. And basically this is what's gonna give us our nice, sweet consistency. There we go. We're just gonna let that simmer down. All right, we're gonna put that in a bottle there. So we just got these wild hog sausages off the grill, and this is how I like to use the sauce. Ooh, I just like to spread it on there. And this is in place of what I usually use, which is barbecue sauce. But this has a nice sweetness and a nice pepperiness on it as well. It's really good. It's easy to make. You guys saw how to make it. And it's delicious. I'm loving it. It's my new favorite thing to put on hot dogs, hamburgers, everything. All right, see you guys. Bye.